So, hello my friends, Devon Lennox here, pxpresets.com. In today's video, we're going to do our setup and installation guide on how to install Adobe Lightroom desktop presets onto macOS. Do know that this particular tutorial is applicable for current generation and older generation macOS equipped devices, so keep that in mind for the duration of this tutorial. But with that out of the way, on with the tutorial. First, download your files onto your device either through the browser or email that'll be sent to you. Next, open Adobe Lightroom. In Lightroom, select the Develop module. Then, in the Develop module on the left, you'll see the Presets tab. Here, in the Presets tab, tap the plus icon, then select Import Presets. Now, navigate to your Downloads folder and select the preset pack you downloaded. Your presets are now loaded into Adobe Lightroom and available in the Develop module for use. At this point, now you can open any of your photos, then select the Develop module, now the Presets tab, and browse for the preset pack. Here, select the drop-down icon, then tap on a preset in the folder to apply it to your photo. So there you have it, my friends. There is our setup and installation guide on how to install Adobe Lightroom desktop presets onto your macOS device. I hope you found this video insightful and that it walked you through the workflow process on how to install Lightroom presets onto your device. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave those in the description box down below. And also, while you're down in the description box down below, check out our free Fashion Volume 1 Lightroom preset pack if you shoot fashion, commercial, beauty, or portrait photography, so that you can get some free Adobe Lightroom presets to get you started off in those arenas more powerfully. I've been your host, Devon Lennox, pxpresets.com. We'll see you in the next video.